Dear friends, our topic is today nutrient cycles. So nutrient cycles also called as biogeochemical cycles. So nutrient cycles enable in the one ecosystem to other ecosystem. So elementary level nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, all elements are in the atmosphere. So biogeochemical cycles also in balance in the air. Why? Because all the components of elements remain same. For example, nitrogen percentage in the air level we know that 78.032. At the same time, oxygen 20.946. At the same time, argon 0.934. Carbon dioxide 0.033. Neon 0.00018. Next, helium 0.00052. At the same time, methane also makes up 0.00020. Next, krypton 0.0018. After that, some gases, nitrous oxide and hydrogen and nitrous oxide both are same level. For example, 0.0005. This also same. Next one, after that, xenon is 0.70. Total it is 99.99027 something will come. So except 0.00297 is, that is the dust and water vapor. Total 100% gases mixing. The gases mixing all these gases: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, methane, krypton, hydrogen, nitrous oxide, xenon, and also 0.00297 dust and water vapor. These mixing 100%. After while nutrient cycles involved in the ecosystem, in each ecosystem, in the water, in the soil, in the air, so remain this same. So generally nutrient cycles, these are three types. Nutrient cycles are three types. They are hydrological cycle, gaseous cycle, and sedimental cycle. So we know that already. Hydrological cycle means water cycle. So water vapors from earth, oceans, it will go to up at cloud level. After by sunlight touching the clouds, again rain coming. So it is a water cycle. Let me explain about nitrogen cycle. It is a gas level cycle. Nitrogen cycle is most important to organisms. So nitrogen, especially in the form of proteins, vitamins, and DNA level, and nucleic acids, all are components of nitrogen only. So nitrogen completes life cycle in 4 stages. The stages are called: first one, nitrogen fixation; second one, ammonification; third one, nitrification; fourth one, denitrification. So these 4 stages to complete the nitrogen cycle. So this is N2 cycle. So friends, let me explain about nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen actually organisms we can't take directly. Why? Because it is a total maximum occupy in the air, that is 78.32. We know that. So nitrogen cycle, it is a biological component level and atmospheric. First one, atmospheric nitrogen we can't take directly. So it is a compulsory form into the nitrites, nitrates, ammonium ions, ammonia compulsory. So atmospheric nitrogen converted into organic nitrogen. it is converted into organic nitrogen. So this organic nitrogen, by the process, already we know that. Which process? Nitrogen fixation. So atmospheric nitrogen converted into organic nitrogen. That is the first step called nitrogen fixation. This is number one. This is nitrogen fixation. This process done by some bacteria. The bacteria name is Azotobacter. Azotobacter. Due to this Azotobacter, this atmospheric nitrogen converted into organic nitrogen. This organic nitrogen, this process is called nitrogen fixation. Second, next, organic nitrogen converted into ammonia. Organic nitrogen converted into ammonia. We know the ammonia formula is NH3. This ammonia, conversion of organic nitrogen into the ammonia, it is called second step, ammonification. I am writing here, ammonification. Organic nitrogen converted into ammonia, or nothing but production of ammonia from the organic nitrogen, also called as ammonification. At the same time, ammonification second step also there. For example, plants nitrogen, then animals. Plants and animals, after dying plants, these plants taken by or assimilates the animals. This organic N2 again converted into ammonia. This also called as ammonification. This one done by saprophytes are nothing but decomposers. So decomposers are also most important in the nitrogen cycle. So while organic nitrogen, while converting into ammonia, here also some bacteria will play a major role. The bacteria name is Bacillus vulgaris. Again one there, Bacillus ramus. Two bacteria helping into the conversion of organic nitrogen into the ammonia. So this ammonia converted into, it means here two steps are there. The two steps are, one is nitrites, second one nitrates. So ammonia converted into nitrates, nothing but it is called NO2. These ammonia are nothing but ammonia oxidized into the nitrate, that is called third one, nitrification. So while ammonia converted into nitrates with the help of one bacteria, the bacteria is Nitrosomonas. Again one bacteria there, that is called Nitrosococcus. These two bacteria are helping in the conversion of ammonia into the nitrates. But these nitrates can't taken by the plants directly. So that's why this NO2 change into nitrates. That is called NO3. These NO3 taken by the plants. These nitrates converted, it means the NO2 changing into the NO3 with the help of one bacteria. The bacteria name is Nitrobacter. Again one bacteria there, that is called Nitrococcus. These nitrates added some rock dissolution. These are also rock dissolution and sometimes oxygen mixing with the nitrogen, that is called lightning. Finally, the nitrates conversion into the normal position. It means elemental nitrogen or atmospheric nitrogen by the process of denitrification. This is where here nitrification, here third position. Here friends, 4 steps. First step is nitrogen fixation, atmospheric nitrogen converted into organic nitrogen with the help of bacteria, Azotobacter. Second one, organic nitrogen converted into ammonia by the process of number 2, that is called ammonification. This ammonification also one after dying the plants taken by nitrogen taken by the animals. It is called organic nitrogen. This process assimilation also called as ammonification. Why? Because organic nitrogen converted into ammonia. So this ammonia conversion, ammonification with the help of one bacteria. The bacteria name is Bacillus vulgaris, or again one Bacillus ramus. Ammonia conversion in two steps. One is ammonia conversion into the nitrites, then nitrites convert into the nitrates. So here this is called first step, that is one nitrification. So here also one bacteria there, two bacteria there, Nitrosomonas and Nitrosococcus. After that, nitrites changing into nitrates with the help of bacteria, Nitrobacter and Nitrococcus. These nitrates sometimes taken by plants, or sometimes it is converted into atmospheric as usual. Why? Because remove of the oxygen, nitrates converted into atmospheric nitrogen. That was the process of fourth process. That is called denitrification. So this is the nitrogen cycle.